everyone, my name is Mugdha and I'm a certified PCOS nutritionist at Veera Health with over 5 years of clinical experience. When it comes to managing PCOS, a healthy lifestyle has shown to be the most effective approach in reducing the severity of the symptoms. By healthy lifestyle, what I mean is eating a balanced and nutritious diet, maintaining a healthy weight, and being active as much as possible. While most of us focus on eating right and choosing healthier alternatives, being physically active is as important as any other approach in managing your PCOS. But when you think about exercise, are you someone then think about gym or heavy lifting or HIIT workouts? Well, the truth is, any type of exercise is beneficial when you perform it consistently and more importantly, enjoy performing it, right? So regular exercise, what it does is it regularizes your periods, it reduces your insulin resistance, and also improves your fertility. It also increases your energy levels and helps you lose and maintain your weight. That's the power of exercise. It is also great for your mental health when you exercise. Endorphins, which are like feel-good hormones, are released in the brain. They help to relieve pain and make you feel happier and calmer. So exercise is great for all who has PCOS. So how much should you exercise? Now, according to American Heart Association, adults should get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week. When you break down 150 minutes through the week, it is only 30 minutes of activity for 5 days a week. That's all you need to get started. Easy, right? According to Veera's habit building plan, it's important to go slow. If you have been inactive for a while, then don't directly aim to get 30 minutes exercise 5 days a week. That's expecting a lot at one time. Start slower. Aim to just sit less and move more throughout the day. This can include choosing to take the stairs instead of your elevator or walk to the store down the street rather than driving there. All of this is like a great way of including more exercise in the day. If your work involves a lot of sitting, then keep an alarm on your phone for every hour to remind yourself to take a short walk around the house or your office. You can also try some desk-friendly exercises, such as calf raises, torso twists, and stretching. Actively participating in household chores like cleaning, washing your dishes, and cooking will also help you break up your sitting time. Make your short walks and your household chores fun by listening to music or podcasts. Once you have successfully incorporated physical activity in your life, aim to set 20 to 30 minutes of time in the mornings or evenings to do a full exercise routine, and that involves your warm-ups, workouts, and stretchings, all of that. Using a combination of exercise that incorporates both cardio and strength training is recommended for your PCOS. Your cardio can be in the form of jogging and cycling and swimming or any aerobics, Zumba, or it can also be just your skipping. Strength training exercises can be your body weight exercises or weight training using HIIT is a great mix of cardio and strength training exercises. It can be done easily at home and only requires about 20 minutes of your time in the day. Pilates and yoga are also great for flexibility and strengthening your muscles. That's a great way to do that. It is important to do exercise you enjoy. Finding physical activity you like will help you make it easier for you to include it in your day-to-day routine and that becoming a habit for you, right? So doing a variety of exercises is good to maintain interest and motivation both. As long as you're moving and enjoying it, the type of exercise is not so important. So remember to go slow, keep timers, add a fun element, and include variety. When you move more every day, you can reach some pretty big goals over time. Small steps can add up to huge strides in your physical health and your mental health as well. Good luck. You got this. We are always here to support you and keep you on track. Take care then. Bye.